my name is Muriel, so welcome on my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make crepes. So that's my easy way how to make it, and I know if I can make it, you guys can make it too. Okay, let's get started. All my ingredients are here. So I got 250 grams of flour. I use plain flour. I got 80 grams of brown sugar. I got 400 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and some butter to make the crepes. So I'm gonna mix all ingredients all together. So I add the eggs too. So I got my 2 eggs in the flour. I'm gonna mix it together to make a beautiful batter. So now I'm gonna add my milk. Some vanilla, a little bit, just to have a nice taste. My sugar. So I'm gonna put a little bit because just to taste. Some people don't like sugar too much, some people like it, so it's up to you guys. You put whatever you like. So I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the pan. Just turn it around so that it goes everywhere. Now we're gonna make our crepes. This spoon is very practical, so you get the right proportion. Turn it around. Here we go. Let it cook, and then we'll turn it. Let it cook about 2-3 seconds, and then we turn it on the other side. Okay, we're gonna turn our crepe on the other side just to see how it looks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Smells so good. Okay, my beautiful crepe will be ready maybe in about 2 seconds. Just the time it becomes golden brown. So my crepes are all done. And with all these ingredients, I got 10 to 12 crepes. And here I got some fillings. I got coconut and sugar. I got some strawberries, Nutella, and whipped cream. So guys, you can choose whatever you like. Be creative, make something you like. Your crepe will still look beautiful. So I always make the last one like that because I know you're gonna laugh, but that's for my dogs. I always make something for them when I cook. So the last one, that's for them.